Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TikTok Pixel to Shopify. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, we need to go and open our browser. And now we need to go and open Google. And from Google over here, we're going to search for Shopify and we will go to open Shopify to log in with our account or our existing store. And so whenever we log in, we will now go here on this page and we'll go to the search bar and we're going to search for TikTok app and we'll open the apps page and we'll choose TikTok as you can see over here. We click on install to install TikTok app and now we will be directing to a new page in order to complete the registration process for our TikTok account on Shopify website. Now whenever we're here, just click on install because this app needs access and so on, and click on install to get the permission and install the app. And now whenever we're here on TikTok channel overview, we'll click on setup now. In here we need to connect our TikTok business account to Shopify and click on connect this option and wait a few seconds until Shopify gets information. And from here click on connect to sync your account with Shopify. And so whenever connected, you will be able to continue the process. So go for TikTok Ads Manager. And as you can see, I've been click on connect once again because it's pending the account overview. And lastly here, we have the data sharing section. So we have standard, enhanced, maximum, and so on. I will choose enhanced and I'll go down a little bit. In here, I click on confirm to save my settings and save my changes on this option. Lastly, we click on finish setup in order to complete the installation or the setup here. And now, as you can see here, both accounts are connected and linked together. And now the last thing we need to do, we need to go and open a new page in Google and search for TikTok Pixel Helper. And now we need to install this extension on Google Chrome, which is TikTok Pixel Helper, and click on Add to Chrome in order to complete the synchronization process. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.